In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to find your Android phone build number. Whatever type of Android phone you are using, consider to stay tuned to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply open up settings on your Android phone. After you open up settings, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on search right here. So what you want to do is to click on here now and simply type in build. Then here you go, you have build number right here. Simply click on that and it's going to give you the exact build number, just like what you see right here. However, there is another way to get to your build number. Click on here to go back and go back from search right here. Another way to get to your build number on Android phone, click on my phone. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down until you get to fashion info. Click on that. And then here you go, you have access to your build number right here. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Android phone like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.